of a bitch, get off the line. The cops are gonna get you.
What?
The cops are gonna get you.
Oh, hello. This is Jim Marslick at the Recyclable Pantyhose Center. Would you see pantyhose you can file to us? Excuse me?
I'm not interested.
Do you have any pantyhose you can donate?
No, I don't.
Why not?
I don't have any.
What don't you have? Listen, you slop, can you donate some pantyhose or not?
Why don't you kiss this slot of ass?
Why not? I'm calling the cops. Hello? Hello? I know you're there. I just want to borrow some pantyhose from you. We need them for the little girls in Iowa. Why don't you go pee up someone's garbage can?
Why don't you go pee in your mouth, you dirty little prick?
You are.
You got this number?
Did you get the order? Did you get the pizzas I ordered for you yesterday?
Yes, let me help you.
Could I make a call with Mike?
I have a quick call from Mike. Will you accept the charge? Mike who? What's your last name, Mike? Kuntz? His name is not Kuntz. What is your last name, Mike? Mike, would you spell your last name for me?
K-U-N-T.
Mike, K-U-N-T, ma'am. That's not his name. I mean, that's not my name. He's lying. You're not accepting it? He's been calling me.
Hello? Can I talk to you? Is Gertrude's Dildo home?
Mr. Fielder here.
I'm asking for Gertrude's Dildo.
Huh?
Because you lie so much.
Did I lie so much?
Because you have a stick up your butt.
You little bastard, you hope you're croaked.
What?
Now what do you want?
Hello, this is Virge to go.
This is who?
Virge to go. We would like to let you know about our new location.
Virgins to go?
Yeah.
How the hell would you know about that?
Hey, I'm the owner of this place. What do you expect me to know, huh?
Listen, get off the line or I'm gonna call the cops.
Why? Why? Huh?
Because you're dopey. You're nuts.
You're dopey. You're dopey. You're nuts.
Hello? Would you like to buy a dildo? Hello?
Jumbo, I don't want a jumbo.
Don't you want one?
Get the fuck off this phone.
Why?
Or I'll report you.
How?
Very easy. I'll report other tricks like you.
I'll stick it
Now
up
leave
your...
me alone.
No.